Get a standout look from the Robbins heels by Chinese Laundry. You'll love this synthetic upper that has a glossy shine and gives a classy look to the shoe. You'll also adore the square open toe that boosts that elegant feel, as well as the straps around the toes that lock you into place. Straps back the foot as well as around the ankle give you a nice secure feeling, while an adjustable buckle closure at the ankle allows you to customize the fit of this shoe. You'll find a cute embellishment of some chains that give you a metallic look, really giving a lot of shine to this shoe. Inside rests a really soft footbed with extra cushioning at the heel for a more comfy wear. You'll get a 3-inch boost of height and style from that stiletto heel, and you'll love that the outsole has a lot of texture to give you added grip as you walk along. Pair these with any beautiful dress and some nice metallic accessories to really accentuate the subtle details of this shoe.